In this video, we're going to look at the concept of allotropes of carbon for chemistry. After going through this video, you know the basic allotropes of carbon for chemistry. So ensure you stay at the very end of this video. Alright, so having known that, let's go into the details of this video. Okay, so we're looking at the concept of allotropes of carbon. Alright, so we're looking at this concept, allotropes of carbon. Now, let's begin by knowing what allotropes are. Now, allotropes are simply different structural forms of the same element in the same physical state. Alright, now, note that allotropes, or the word allotrope, definition is different from the word allotropy. Alright, now, allotropy is the occurrence or existence of two or more different forms of an element in the same physical state. Allotropy deals with the existence or occurrence, whereas allotropes or allotrope does not deal with the existence or occurrence. Alright, it's just different structural forms of the same element in the same physical state, whereas the allotropy is the existence of that different structural forms of an element in the same physical state. Alright, so take note of the difference. Now, let's look at basically allotropes of carbon. Alright, now we have basically 4 allotropes of carbon you have to know. There are others, but you just have to know these 4. The first one is our diamond. The second one is our graphite. The third one is our graphene. Okay, now the fourth one is our fullerene. Alright, so this is the fourth one, the fullerene or fullerenes, anyone. Now, let me show you the diagrams I use it to explain their properties and some of their basic uses. Alright, in the real life application. Alright, so let me get the diagram of diamond, graphite, graphene, and fullerene to illustrate or drive the point very well. So let's get the diagram. Let's wipe this so that it will show very well. Okay guys, so these are the respective diagrams. So this one here is our diamond. Alright, whereas this one here is our graphite. Okay, so as you can see, this is our graphene and this is our fullerene. Alright, now let's look at the basic properties of a diamond. Now, note that a diamond is a very hard substance, so it's very hard in nature. And again, a diamond has high melting point. Now, a diamond does not conduct electricity because it has no free electron or ions. Take these 3 properties of a diamond. It does not conduct electricity because it does not have free electrons. It has high melting point and it is a very hard substance. Now note again that a diamond has an octahedral shape. Alright, in case you're asked. Okay, now let's look at the properties of a graphite. Now, a graphite is a soft and slippery substance, so it's not that hard like a diamond. It's a soft and slippery substance. Again, is that a graphite has high melting point as well, and a graphite is able to conduct electricity and thermal energy because it has free electrons or ions, alright, flowing in it. So just take note of these properties of a graphite and a diamond. The common property between diamond and a graphite is that they both have high melting points. Okay, now let's look at the basic use of a graphite. A graphite can be used as a lubricant. Alright, so it can be used as a lubricant and it can be used as a writing material as well. Alright, so graphite can be used as a writing material and also it can be used as batteries. Graphite can be used as what? Batteries. So take note of these uses of a graphite. Okay, one more thing before we go to graphene. Now note that a graphite has a hexagonal shape. In case you ask, alright, it has a hexagonal shape. Okay, now let's look at the basic properties of a graphene. Now, a graphene, just like a graphite, it can conduct electricity because it contains the localized electrons. Now, a graphene also has an incredible light. Okay, so it has an incredible light. And again, the network of covalent bonds in a graphene makes it very strong. Alright, so it's a strong substance. Now, let's look at the basic use of a graphene. A graphene is added to composite materials to improve their strength. Alright, so it's added to composite material to improve their strength. Alright, now let's look at that fullerene. Now, for fullerene, we're going to look at the basic use of a fullerene, because for the chemistry, if patients are asked about fullerene, you will ask the use of a fullerene. Now, let's look at the basic uses of a fullerene. Now, a fullerene is used to cage other molecules. Again, is that a fullerene is used to deliver a drug into the body. And again, that fullerenes are also used as lubricants. Okay, another use of a fullerene is that it can form nanotubes. Alright, so this is an example of a nanotube. Alright, so fullerenes can form what? Nanotubes. And nanotubes can conduct both electricity and heat. Okay, so nanotubes also have high tensile strength. Basically, it means that they don't need to break when they are stretched. So this is the basic information you need to know about the chemistry of allotropes of carbon for the chemistry exam. So guys, let's call it a class. I hope there's something interesting from this video. Now, if you are new to the channel, ensure that you check the description of this video below. You see a link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notification. Also ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this topic, feel free to question in the comment section below. I'll sure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.